What happened to you, Mama?
No, I feel in the motorbike
Oh.
on my way home. I'm gonna clean my
What?
Ah! It's so sakit! I clean this with alcohol and then I think I'm gonna put some cream on this. It's super hurt. Here's more. Ah!
There's more down here.
Oh! It's so painful. It really hurts. And this, I got a lot in here. It's gonna be painful if I spray alcohol and clean it.
No, how about just put it in the gapas first?
No, I don't want to.
Just put it in the gapas, then spread it.
Good thing I only got this. Not a lot, but still painful. On my here, it's many. Oh. Ah! Shit. It's very painful. Ah. But I need to clean this so I can put some ointment.
Oh
I
yeah.
got a lot of scratches. Look at this. It's gonna be swollen later on.
Yeah.
Ah, so painful.
Makita lang.
I was so careless driving motorbike, so this is what I got. I get bruise here, and this, in here. Oh, it's not nice, and a lot in here. It's good thing I only got this. It's not nice.